This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Ensure the ignition switch is switched off before disconnecting the battery. Pull up the battery cover to access the battery terminals. Loosen the clamp nut and disconnect the battery negative lead from the terminal. Loosen the clamp nut and disconnect the battery positive lead from the terminal. Lift up and remove the fabric tight box from around the battery. Undo the battery clamp bolt. Lift out the battery and withdraw it from the engine compartment. With the battery removed, clean the battery leads to allow a clean connection to the battery terminals. Clean the battery mounting tray, then fit the battery in position. Refit the battery clamp and bolt. Tighten the bolt to the specified torque. Slide the fabric tight box and cover onto the battery. Connect the positive battery lead to the terminal. Tighten the clamp nut securely. Connect the negative battery lead to the terminal and tighten the clamp nut securely. Flip down and secure the protective battery cover.